Last time I built this drawer system to organize all my routers and replace this mess, but I left this one drawer empty. Now I need to come up with an organizer for all these bits and accessories to keep me from just doing this. When it comes to tool organization, I struggle with a condition I like to call FOMO design syndrome, FDS for short. I start off with good intentions, but then I either make it so complicated that I never finish it, or the what ifs hit me and I put it off till later. What if I come up with a better idea, or what if I buy another tool and it doesn't fit? It's just gonna be a mess, so I should just wait. So before I start another project and leave this to be the next victim of FDS, I need to come up with something simple that works for what I have now and can be easily updated in the future. So the plan is come in here, figure out how I want to separate everything out, and then I'll go into CAD, we'll draw up some plates that I can print out on the 3D printer, drop those in here and get everything organized. To keep my brain from going full FDS mode and overcomplicating things, I need to lock into three main problems I'm trying to solve. First, it needs to be easy to access everything. Second, there needs to be a logical grouping of the bits and tools. And third, it needs to be modular, so if I come back in later and want to change something, I don't have to redo the whole system. All right, so right off the bat, jumped right back into my old ways, and I couldn't just put the 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch bits in two different places. I had to try to make it universal, so I came up with these little holders. This can hold a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch bit. The 1/2 inch bit, perfect, fits down in there nice and snug, everything's good. The 1/4 inch bit, because this is so much deeper and more flexible, basically just pops right through the bottom. Now, of course, I could go in and make this fit tighter on the 1/4 inch and make it work out, but the whole purpose of this is to make this as simple as possible. So I'm gonna go in, redesign this so that it fits only the 1/2 inch, make another one that fits only the 1/4 inch, make two different plates, make them fit in the drawer, and we'll go from there. So I'm really trying to stick to the simple theme here, so I'm gonna go with the same spacing for both the 1/2 and the 1/4 inch plates. It'll work out perfectly for the smaller bits. I can get my fingers in between and pull out what I need, and it'll give me a little more option of how I place the 1/2 inch bits, since some of those are a little more randomly shaped. First two plates are in, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. I finally got a little bit of organization. It still makes my skin crawl a little bit to not have options of moving things around, but 1/4 inch bits are in the front, 1/2 inch bits are in the back. I have room for more bits if I need to add them, but these are the ones I use all the time. So for the most part, I think this is about as much as I need. I still have some random bits, like a whole set of keyhole bits, things that I don't use very often. I think I'm just gonna make a bin that goes in the back corner and just pile everything into that bin. It's not super organized, but at least they're all in one spot and they're not piled up on a table somewhere. The last thing I need to organize is all these tools and accessories that go with the router and the table itself. So I'm gonna make one more plate, lay all these out, and we'll print that out. I laid this plate out to hold the collet wrenches, table throat plates, and things that need quick access and can't be lost in a pile of junk somewhere when I actually need them. Wrenches are a little bit too long for 1/2 drawer size plates, so I had to stretch this one out a bit. In the back corner, just keeping it as simple as possible. No more overthinking or FDS flare-ups, worrying about what I could do here. Just a nice deep bin, and I'm done. All right, there it is. I feel like I've overcome my FOMO design syndrome at least a little bit on this project and kept it as simple as I possibly could. Honestly, in the future, if I need to change anything, I can just redesign it, pull out one plate that I need to change, print a new one, drop it in there. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine, honest. If you've missed out on the rest of this build, check out this playlist up here, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.